August 28th, 2020. So here I got a call from a guy. He's got a couple of toilets that are giving him problems. I want to go over there and see what's going on with it. Try to give you some shots. Getting a little cool here in the mornings here. I don't know. I'm probably going to have to put my shorts away soon. Next month is September. Monday, I think Tuesday, September. Oh, it's Friday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So that's WD-40?
Yeah. That's what I sprayed it with. Well, last night it was working okay with the WD-40, but it sticks. That little arm that comes out that holds the chain, it sticks.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's not flowing,
Yeah,
huh?
just like that, right? That's it.
Sometimes we can clean them out. Let's try cleaning it out first. Let's see if we can might be able to just clean it out. Sometimes it gets a little sediment in there. Worth a shot, right?
Yeah.
Without changing it first.
Well, they're the original parts in there, so.
WD-40, huh?
Yeah, it worked. It worked on the other one. The other one seems to be working okay, but might as well just change it or clean it out, whatever.
See if I get it apart.
Might be easier to just change it.
Might be. I can see what the hell's going on here without getting all fogged up. You know? A little piece of, maybe a little bit of dirt in there or something. All it takes is a little bit of dirt, right? And when it tries to go up, the thing floats in there and it's a done deal. I don't mind changing things if they need it. But if not, I try to fix things.
Yeah.
Just as a rule of thumb, right?
Right.
Why not?
It's not really broke, don't fix it.
See, this is the little piece of dirt in there is all it was, right? So by just taking it apart and giving it the old flusheroo, right? Saved you some bucks.
Sounds good.
Ooh, these flipping masks, they fog up my
Oh,
glasses.
I know it. I just got a new one too.
Maybe it's this particular glass is not the greatest.
Vent holes in.
Yeah, probably not the best thing to do is WD-40 on that shit. I mean, it is water, right? And oil.
Yeah.
Really don't mix so well. I just have to take it apart and give it a flush. Whatever's in there is out now, so it should be okay, hopefully. See what it shuts.
Yeah, sometimes, and then the third time, it would get stuck again.
Well, it could be that there was something floating in there, right?
Yeah.
A little piece of dirt. So all it takes is a little piece. Well, we're down about 3/4 as long as it flushes. It does, so. Oh no, she's stuck again.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to put a new one in there then.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, so we tried cleaning it, but
Yep.
we'll put a new one in there.
Okay.
So let me get what I need out of the truck. I'm gonna just put a new valve in there. He wants a new one, so I'll just put a new one. What about all these riots and stuff? I mean, it's really getting bad, isn't it? People are shooting people and everything.
I know.
I mean, what the hell?
Shoot my back 7 times.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Just getting out of hand.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Crazy. think this is PEX in this house or something. Gotta be careful because I don't want it to blow apart on me.
Yeah.
This is, I think it's CPVC in this whole place. I'm not sure. The thing is kind of, wow.
Does the top of that unit just pull apart?
Huh?
The top of that just come right up apart and put a new one on top?
What do you mean? No, I gotta take the whole thing apart. The problem is there's all CPVC in this house. I don't wanna blow nothing apart here. Wow. I'm gonna have to get my pump, it looks like. Pump it out. Unless I can go slow with it, maybe. Man, I mean, the thing's on there. Wow. That thing is really on there. Yeah, I know the guy who did this job. They use all CPVC in here, which is not the greatest stuff in the world. Plastic.
Yeah.
I mean, it's what it is. How many apartments here?
36.
36. I mean, if the water blows, it's gonna be like one of those videos you see on Facebook with the guy trying to stop the water. You ever see that?
Yeah.
Guy on Facebook trying to stop the water.
Put your finger in the pipe.
Yeah, blowing out like a mad. The thing's blowing out like crazy, and he's just trying to fix it. Crazy.
Yellow now.
Huh?
Now it's yellow instead of black.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, that don't bother me.
No. You don't see it anyway, hopefully.
It's actually not a bad unit to put in, so that's why I'm using it. Easy to set.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, once they're in, they're easy to set. And, I like easy.
Oh yeah.
I like easy. I don't know why the other one was so, I mean, it was really tight. This one's actually easy to set. I could adjust it where I want it. That's why I like these. They're easy to set once they're in place.
Yeah. That's good. Sometimes they make things so damn difficult.
Well, they're always trying to reinvent the wheel. You ever hear that saying?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been around for a while.
We're always trying to reinvent the wheel instead of keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. You ever hear that saying?
Oh yeah.
That's my saying. Keep it simple. Alright, so I gotta go down a little bit more. I can just do it right here with this. You want to change the other one too, you said?
Yep.
While I'm here? If the other one's, was the other one acting up too?
Yep.
It was?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of odd, huh?
Yeah. Well, they both was. I don't know.
Alright, so we're down about 3/4 of an inch is what we want there. Just want to make sure I got no leaks. We don't want any leakers. Make sure we got no leaks, right?
The toilet's about 12 years old. This whole building's about 12 years old. 12, 13 years old, so.
How's the new seats?
Good. No complaints.
No complaints? There's no leaks there. Don't seem to be. We'll keep an eye on, we'll check on it on the way out, but I don't see any leaks, so yeah, might as well.